Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two different phones using the official QR code linking method. It's super simple, 100% secure and works on both Android and iPhone. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button and also requesting you to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. So to begin, take the phone where you want to add the existing WhatsApp account. I mean your second phone. So first of all, I'm gonna download WhatsApp on my second phone. So I'm going to the Play Store and clicking on this install button. It will take some time to install it. And then click on this open button. And from here, you have to choose the language, select English or your preferred language. And after then click on this agree and continue button. And now normally click on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then choose link as companion device. And here a QR code will appear on the screen. This is the key. Now take your main phone where your WhatsApp is already logged in. So after then, normally you have to open your WhatsApp app. I'm gonna open it. And similarly, click on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, choose linked devices. Then tap on this link a device. Now give your password or your fingerprint and it will open your camera. Now normally use the camera and scan this QR code. And that's it. Once the QR code is scanned, WhatsApp will start syncing your chats to the second device. And within seconds, your messages, media and chats will be available on both phones, fully synced and encrypted. That's it. You can now use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones. If you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.